Hello everyone. Well, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do a little video on a project that I'm working on. So I've done a little work to it already, but I wanted to get in as soon as I could. So here it is. It's my 61 Lincoln Continental. This is exactly how I got it. Car came from Michigan. Has some rust on it. I already pulled out the trunk pad and all that parts, but you can see most of this back here is just, hopefully just surface rust. Won't take me too much to get into it. But I'm just wanting to do a walk around so you can see what I'm working with. See some spots I'm gonna have to get addressed on it. Haven't made up my mind on the color that I want to do. I already pulled the interior out. I'll give you another shot of that, but I left the back seats in. Roof looked good. Of course, I want to get all this interior redone. This is the only place in here. Really, I saw rust, and you can see that's just surface rust. Pretty solid. You could already see the bare metal right there. May have a little hole there, but I got a little bit more rug to pull out. The dash and all that was mostly out when I got it, but I do have that. He sent me all the parts. That's the panel right there for the door. Door's closed solid. Tree sap up here.